What's going on, YouTube? Today we had another green trade. This is the third green trade in a row, and I actually reversed this month from the bad week that I had last week. We'll go over the statistics, and then I'll go over the trade and my thinking behind it. So let's jump right into it. So on the month, we are $9 in the green, which is amazing. Last week, I had a horrible week. I've been digging myself out of that hole ever since. I've got some tweaks to my strategies that I'm making, not closing trades early, not moving my stop losses. If I lose a trade or when I just take one trade a day, doesn't matter if it's a win or a loss, and just walking away. I'm excited to see this start to flip, but if you look at the statistics, I had 11 losing trades, 7 winning trades. My average winning trade is 1,200 and my average losing trade is 731. Now, as far as win-loss ratio, it's about 38% to 61.1%. Now, when you're going with a 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio, or you only really need to have winning trades 35% of the time, generally that's a little bit more. Usually I run like 50 or 60%. Mid-max a lot of my strategy, being able to sit back and like look at the statistics and everything. I really think that I'm cooking with fire here. So let's go ahead and break down this trade. So on the morning, we see this huge push up, a little bit of consolidation throughout the rest of the morning session, and then 8:30 to 9 we get another long leg up. When I was looking at this chart, I see this decent volume push out of this range, and man, I really wanted to take that trade. I didn't really want to go short here, and I know a lot of people probably had gone short. I'm sure there was a lot of orders sitting up here. Us being so close to all-time highs, we were in an uptrend. You know, if I am gonna flip and go short, I do want to see some sort of consolidation. I do want to see some sort of breakdown, retest, and then a flush below. That's really what I would like to see if I were to be going short. What I did was I was gonna go long. I see this flat bottom candlestick here, but we still didn't get a push out of the range, so I wasn't super interested in it. But seeing that we tipped this right here and we flushed right back up immediately, I assumed that was some sort of trap and that we would continue to push higher, but it still made me nervous. A lot of the losing trades that I had last week was because I was trying to trade in ranges. So I decided to wait again. So we got another push up. We had a little bit of a pullback, which is what goes with my strategy. Push up, pull back, put my entry on the pullback at a flat bottom candlestick. So I put my entry above this wick here. We entered on this candle, and I put my stop loss right below the second candlestick, where it went straight to my 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. And I'm not gonna lie, this trade kind of made me nervous because, you know, we've already moved up. I mean, the opening range is like 150 points at this rate. So having this huge push up, it could have reversed at any time, and I was really afraid of like being at the wrong place at the wrong time and going long at the top of the market and end up having it stop out on me. But also there's a lot of things happening today. You know, I think we have FOMC and we got a couple jobless claims and a couple other things going on. So I guess I was on the right side of the trade today, and it looks like it was well timed because we have what looks to be a decent reversal right here. See, this is what I was talking about. If I was to go long, I would like to see a push down, an attempt to push back up, and then a real high volume flush below, which is what we have right here. I bet if I put a trade in here, I could probably get my 2-to-1 unless we get stuck in this chop range right here, which is definitely possible. So maybe waiting for a little bit of a consolidation and a continuation down. Who knows? There's a lot going on today. Who knows what the market's going to do? I am super excited to get back on the saddle tomorrow and have another Green Day recap, and I will catch you all on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.